Hi and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hello and welcome. I am absolutely thrilled to see this. This was I had an Eddoes that was going off. I thought it might set, like a bearer, the eyes that you can then grow, set seed, or however potatoes do it. And I planted, there must be 3 here in this particular spot, but only 1 seems to have come up. But you know what? I'm absolutely made up that this has come. I think it's the same family as the taro root, and there's another plant called elephant's ears, and I think they're all of the same family, and these are going to get really big. I've seen some really giant ones. There's a place called Andromeda Gardens, although you see it a lot around the island. Some really big-leaved plants that look very similar to this. So I do wonder whether it is, the edible Eddoes or taro root that we know. Someone said there was an ornamental variety of this, but I'm not sure. But I know this is definitely Eddoes. You can definitely eat the root of this. So I'm looking forward to seeing this whole area, this particular patch. I don't know how much space it's going to need, but I'm looking forward to seeing it bloom and develop, and whether I can, if it does develop really big, massive, ginormous leaves, I can then plant it in other areas for it to have the visual effect, as well as knowing that it serves a dual purpose in being able to be eaten. So that's what the Eddoes, the plant, looks like in its early stages. But come back and join me, because I will be showing you progress photographs, and as we go along. There are so many different things that, I guess the leaves and the roots and the stems and everything, all of the plants can be used for. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.